My name is Melissa. I'm a service learner at Cal State Monterey Bay for the Monterey County Free Libraries program. Today, I'm going to show you how to make Grinch Kebabs. So let's get started. The ingredients you're going to need to make these kebabs are green grapes, banana slices, strawberries, marshmallows, kebab sticks, or toothpicks. To make these kebabs, you're going to first take your green grape, a banana slice, a strawberry, and top it off with a marshmallow. There you have it, a Grinch kebab. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed learning how to make these Grinch kebabs today.